Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe now and get ready to learn something new. Long-term goals give you directions and give your life a sense of purpose. They also give your guidance on which short-term goals should be. Goal setting guidelines means make it reasonable, make it measurable, make it controllable. Don't reset the goal. The best thing you can do is to set no more than 3 goals for the next year. If you are chronic procrastinator, only choose one goal. Once you know your end goals, you would create a goal for this month, which you had then create a goal for the week and finally a goal for tomorrow. Assuming you don't start today. Think in threes. 3 goals for the year, month, week, day. Again, if that's too much for you, think in ones. 1 goal for the year, month, week, day. Every day you had do something that would move you closer to your goal. If you are a chronic procrastinator, I would highly suggest you only focus on one thing. It's much better to finish the year achieving only one goal than to set 3 goals and achieve none because you procrastinated on all of them. Though if you apply the information in this video, you will easily be able to achieve 3 realistic goals in a year. When you are achieving your goals every day, you get a little release of dopamine, which will help you enjoy the process more. This is where the drive and motivation increase, and you will start to enjoy the process more. Setting a goal regarding something that you cannot control, which falls under validation and feelings. If you set a goal where the outcomes would be to get approval from someone, then you are setting yourself up for failure. If you set a goal where you want to feel a certain way, then you are setting yourself up for failure. If you set a goal to lose a certain amount of weight or making a certain amount of money with a deadline attached, while there's nothing wrong with these, they are out for your control. There's no guarantee to how much weight can be lost or money can be made in journal, let alone when you attach a deadline to it. Keep the goal to something you can control. You can always control your actions. You can never control the outcomes. I hope you guys learned something in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.